Your goal today is I solve volume word problems. So we know how to solve volume problems with the equation length times width times height. And we know that this only applies to rectangular prisms. So today we're going to solve questions with rectangular prisms in them using that equation. So the first one says Dante is going to use this box to carry home his new kitten. What is the volume of the box? And then I have a picture. So with that, I can determine the length is 3 feet. The width is 4 feet. And the height is 2 feet. So when I do this, I do 3 times 4, which is 12. Then I do 12 times 2, which is 24. So this would be 24 feet cubed. I would say that's probably big enough to carry a cat home in. It's also probably too big to carry. So we used our equation because this is a rectangle and we multiplied to find our answer. The next question says, a crate is 2 meters long and 2 meters wide, and it is 4 feet tall. What is the volume? So we could draw our own picture and label it 2, 2, 4, and then we could make our equation. Length is 2 times height, which is 2 times, or times width, which is 2 times height, which is 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Did that part, and then 4 times 4 is 16. And then it's meters cubed. So this is a big box. You may also have a problem that talks about cartons that you fill with things. So a carton of juice is 16 centimeters tall and 5 centimeters wide, or 16 centimeters long. This is going to be 16. 5 wide and 20 tall. And then I need to figure out how big my juice box is. So again, using the information I have, the length is 16 times the width, which is 5. Well, I need to stack that to be able to do that. So I'll write up here 16 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 3 is 80. So that's 80, and now I need to multiply that by 20. Again, I'm going to stack that. So I'm going to get rid of my drawing here so I have room. So I need to do 80 times 20. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 8 is 0. Cross out the 0, put down a 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 8 is 16. So this would be 1,600 centimeters cubed. Now, the last type of problem you're going to see today will be a multi-step problem. So pay close attention to this one. This one says, there are 2 cartons of candy. One is 2 inches by 3 inches by 4 inches. So our first one is 2 by 3 by 4. And our second one, the second one is 3 by 3 by 3. That sounds like a cube to me. And it wants to know which one is larger and by how much. So in order to do this, I need to find the volume of my first one. That one's not working. So we would do 2 times 3, and 2 times 3 is 6. And we do 6 times 4. So that one is 24 inches squared. And then for the second one, we would do 3 times 3, which is 9, and then 9 times 3, which is 27 inches squared. So box 2 is bigger, and it's bigger by, well, 27 minus 24 is going to be 3 inches cubed. So this is a 2-part question with a 2-part answer. So you will have problems like this today. And this is kind of the end of like our basic volume. Next week, we're finding unknowns. So we know how to find volume by counting Qs. We know how to find volume by using the algorithm. And now we know how to solve word problems with volume in them. So good luck today as you do your math problems. I look forward to seeing your awesome math work.